In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete projects in Premiere Pro the correct way. This is a quick but important tutorial, because a lot of people assume you can delete a project from inside Premiere Pro itself, but you actually cannot. The only real way to delete a Premiere Pro project is to remove the project file from your computer. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to close Premiere Pro completely. Make sure the program is not open in the background, because you always want to work with the project file safely from your computer, not while the app is still running. Once Premiere Pro is closed, open File Explorer on Windows. If you're on a Mac, you would use Finder instead, but the basic idea is the same. Now go to the location where your Premiere Pro project is saved. This is usually the folder where you originally created or stored the project. Inside that folder, look for the file with the .prproj extension. That is your actual Premiere Pro project file. It may be named something like yourproject.prproj, or whatever custom name you gave it when you saved it. Once you find the file, right-click on it and choose Delete. On some systems, you may also be able to drag it to the recycle bin or trash, but the result is the same. The project file will be removed from your system. And just to be clear, this permanently deletes the project from that location, unless you restore it from the recycle bin or trash before emptying it. So if you are absolutely sure you no longer need the project, this is the proper way to delete it. If you still want to keep a backup, make sure to copy it somewhere else before deleting. That's really all there is to it. Premiere Pro does not have a built-in delete project button for removing the actual project file. So the safest and most effective method is to close the app, find the .prproj file, and delete it manually. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more fast Premiere Pro tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.